Essential steps to maintain clear CCTV. Are you concerned about the clarity of your CCTV footage? You're not alone. Your CCTV system is a crucial tool for keeping your home or business secure. But to ensure it continues to provide clear and reliable footage, regular maintenance is key. In this video, we'll cover the key steps you need to follow to maintain a clear CCTV system. Step 1. Clean the camera lenses. Over time, dust, dirt, and fingerprints can accumulate on your camera lenses, affecting the quality of the footage. Use a microfiber cloth and a gentle lens cleaner to carefully clean the lenses. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could cause damage. Step 2. Check and adjust camera angles. Make it a habit to regularly check your camera angles and ensure they cover all desired areas. External factors such as wind or intentional manipulation can cause camera misalignment. Adjust the angles as needed to maintain optimal coverage. Step 3. Test and maintain lighting conditions. Proper lighting is essential for clear CCTV footage. Regularly check and adjust the lighting conditions around your cameras. Ensure that there is no glare, excessive backlighting, or areas of darkness that could hinder image clarity. Consider installing additional lighting if required. Step 4. Update software and firmware. Software and firmware updates are crucial for the smooth operation of your CCTV system. Keep track of manufacturer updates and regularly install them to ensure compatibility, security, and optimal performance. Check for new features that can enhance your system's capabilities. By following these essential steps for maintaining a clear CCTV system, you can ensure that your surveillance system continues to provide reliable video footage to keep your surroundings secure. Want to learn more? Visit upcoming security,